Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to follow up on NVDA. This is ticker NVDA. The other day I mentioned watching for a move on NVIDIA above 202.80. Now that move was attempted yesterday, but unfortunately got rejected. Tried to get above 202.80, held above for like a cup of coffee, and then pulled right back to the 8-day exponential. But the buyers showed up, and it showed us that there's clear support on NVIDIA at the 8-day exponential. And so today, we had a massive move in semiconductors. The SMH is at all-time highs. Stocks like Intel are just screaming right now. AMD, impossible to buy. But NVIDIA was close to a pivot and pushed through and did it on great volume. And so if you took this trade, I certainly think you should watch to make sure it holds above that 8-day exponential period moving average. That's pretty clear support. And as long as it can do that, I think you want to try and ride the semiconductor momentum higher. Now, one thing I do want to point out is the fact that we're not out of the woods completely here on NVIDIA because there's still some sell pressure on this stock. And you can see, even though it had a great day, it still didn't close at all-time highs. And so NVIDIA is still technically lagging a lot of other semiconductors. And so until it can get above and stay above this resistance in and around 208 to 212, I think the stock is going to need to see big volume to push it through any remaining supply from this upper end of resistance. So that's my take on NVIDIA. And if you want more setups like this, check out what we're up to at StockMarketMentor.com. The best stuff is always for our premium members at Stock Market Mentor. My name is Scott McGregor. I hope you have a great weekend. I'll see you next time.